Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and we are here in Trinidad, beautiful Trinidad, and I'm going to take you guys for a tour of this nursery here with tropical fruit trees. So let's check this out. We're down here first. Ooh, we've got air-layered rambutans. I guess they feel like the best way to propagate rambutans is to air layer them. I have videos on air layering if you want to see that. We've got mangoes here. This is a mango that I really want badly, but they don't have them in Florida. It's called a starch mango. It's a really popular mango here in Trinidad. We've got more rambutans. We've got sugar apples, one of my favorite fruit right here. If you're not familiar with a sugar apple, Google it. It's one of my favorite fruits to eat. We've got carambolas. We've got longan. So a lot of the same fruits that we have in Florida. We've got a variegated leaf orange. Actually, the actual orange is variegated too. That's pretty cool. We've got kumquats, clementines. We've got breadfruit, one of my favorite trees. Hard to grow in Florida as well. We have poise docs. I'm gonna have to Google that and see what that is. Poise docs. I don't even know what this one is. We've got Simmons avocados. We've got a ton of different citrus over here. We've got Pollock avocados. We've got cayenne guavas and mulberry trees. Oh, interesting that mulberry trees can grow this far south. It's got mulberries on it. It looks almost like a Pakistani mulberry. It's got really big leaves on it. We got Malaysian dwarf coconuts. And we got a Julie mango down here. These are Chinese coconuts apparently. West Indian limes. Let's go down this way here. Piwa. I don't know what piwa is, but it looks like a type of coconut, type of palm. This looks like a cacao tree possibly. I'm not sure what this is either here. There's no label on this one. We have wax apples or wax jambus. We have these in Florida. Soursop, of course, the soursop, aka guanabana. Rollinia. This is something that I really want to try. I've never tasted this fruit before. And we've got little pomegranates. We've got camite. Camite. What is this? This looks like a tree that I have, but it must have another name. I'm gonna have to find out what the other name for this is. Canistel or egg fruit. Chinet, which is basically guinep, or guinipa, Spanish lime, mamosillo. Got a lot of names. Primrose. I have to Google a lot of these. We got West Indian cherry, aka Barbados cherry. Since we're in Trinidad, they probably want to call it West Indian instead of Barbados. We've got miracle fruit or miracle berries, Jamaican plum, and we've got ice cream banana, Garcinia, South American sapote, Pollock avocado, and that looks like it's it for the fruit trees that are for sale. Ooh, double chaconia. Not sure exactly what that is too. There's gonna be a lot of trees we have to Google, but right across from me here, you can see we've got a bunch of mango trees. There's cacao trees all over the place down here. It's pretty amazing. We're gonna walk to the rest of this nursery, but I just want to show you guys all the things that are growing here in Trinidad, things you can get at the local nurseries that you can't get back home. So if you enjoyed that, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to post a lot more videos from Trinidad. I'm here for a couple days and we'll see what we do. All right. See you guys. Bye.